Hi everyone, this is a review of the Futuro by 3M knee hinged brace. This is the top of the line by 3M for knee braces. They do have other knee braces that are lower and less firm support, but this is the top of the line that they do provide. I did purchase this from Target. I have utilized this for over 6-7 months, and it does go over some details right here on which parts are for what, and then this is also how to wear the knee brace. So there is some sizing and how to wear it. It's pretty simple in terms of wearing it, pretty intuitive. So let's jump into it. I have used this product, including another product called Core Flex as a knee brace as well. I have done a separate video on comparing Core Flex to a 3M Futuro, but today's video, I'm just going to go over this product. Now, this product I purchased from Target for about 35 bucks. After tax, you're looking at about 40. Like I said, this is the highest knee brace that you can be able to purchase by 3M, over the counter. And there are some nice things about this. First, you've got these little handles here. By the way, this is a plate, as you can see right here, a metal plate that goes basically from here all the way up to here. So this metal plate right here stabilizes the knee, and it has one right here on the other side as well. So this is really crucial, and this is what provides the stability and the rigidity for your knee when you're wearing this, as opposed to other knee braces that just don't have this. So this is very important. You do have some comfort zone padding right here within the knee area. This is very nice. Velcro throughout. The Velcro hasn't gone out on me at all, and I think it will last pretty good depending on the wear and tear over time. You can see right here in the back side of it, right here you do have a little area that's a little padded for the knee, which is very nice. You do have the Velcro area. Now, this is one thing too, is that when they did make this, I foresee these edges here really going out over time. And as you can see right here, it's already kind of going out in terms of the fabric, and also you got some strings coming off. So with that said, when you are utilizing this over time, I do foresee these type of issues coming up. And not all knee braces have this straight up cut of the fabric. So just keep that in mind. But again, these are things that you have to just keep in consideration for overtime usage. Now, will 3M fix this type of problem? I don't know if they will, because this is an extra process in their manufacturing assembly line that will probably cost them, and then they're gonna put that cost towards the consumer. So you're gonna be seeing products like this probably go up in price, an additional $5 or $10, but they will last longer. And if they last longer, you're not gonna purchase another one from the company. Overall, it does the job. It's pretty good. It's not bad. It's pretty decent for the price. I think there are some other products out there that do a better job, but they're a little bit higher price. But if you're looking for something that will protect and stabilize your knee, I think this is a good solution right off the bat you can get over the counter. With that said, I hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions, please post them down in the comment section below. Love to hear those questions and help answer them. And if you used any other knee brace, love to hear your thoughts on the other brands out there. And as always, press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.